How to turn off automatic updates on Windows 10. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how can you turn off automatic updates on Windows 10. In order to disable automatic updates in Windows 10, you can follow these steps. First of all, navigate to the Start menu and search for Services. Open the Services menu and locate to Windows Update. Double-click it to open the Properties. Under Startup, select Disable and click on Apply. Then click on Recovery option. Select No Action under the first failure and apply the changes. Now close this window and press Windows plus R button to open the Run command and then type gpedit.msc and hit Enter. Over here, all you have to do is click on Administrative Templates and under Local Group Policy, scroll down and click on Windows Update and then click on Configure Automatic Updates. Double-click to open and select Disable. Apply the changes and you're done. This is how you can turn off automatic updates on Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.